You have the option of testing a book on Elango for 7 days, free of charge. To do this, select the book you want and click on Test for Free 7 Days button. The 7-day period will start immediately. You will see the expiry date at the bottom of the product overview. You are now ready to test your digital edition. To purchase a full license for a digital edition, go to our website deltapublishing.co.uk and follow the instructions to get your digital product. After having bought the product, you will receive the key to your digital license. You can then enter the license key in the Activate Your License field in the main menu. Use copy and paste for this. The digital edition is now available in the library. Have fun with it! With Elango, you can take the digital edition with you wherever you go in the world.